Not sure how to use your GREE AC remote? Model number YAA1FB. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your GREE AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Temperature plus or minus buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press temperature plus to raise the temperature, or temperature minus to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. Want cool air in every corner? Hit the swing button. It moves the air vents up and down, spreading airflow evenly across the room for all-around comfort. Press the I Feel button to activate the temperature sensor inside the remote control. This allows the AC to adjust cooling based on the temperature around the remote, not the unit. Press the Healthy Scavenging button once to turn on Healthy mode, which purifies the air using negative ions, great for reducing dust and allergens around you. Press it again to activate Scavenging mode, which boosts internal airflow after use to clear out moisture and odors from inside the AC unit. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Press the Temp button to choose which temperature is shown on the screen, either the room temperature or the set temperature. This helps you keep track of how cool or warm the space is compared to your desired setting. Use the On timer to set a specific time for your AC to automatically turn on. Each press lets you adjust the hours and minutes until your desired start time is set. Use the Off timer to set a time for your AC to automatically turn off, perfect for saving energy while you sleep or when you leave the room. Press the Clock button to set the current time on your GREE AC remote. Setting the correct time ensures your scheduled operations run precisely when needed. Press the Turbo button to activate rapid cooling or heating at maximum fan speed. This feature quickly brings the room to your desired temperature in less time. Press the Light button to turn the display light on the indoor unit on or off. It's useful at night when you want to reduce brightness without affecting AC operation. Press the X Fan button to keep the indoor fan running for a few minutes after turning off the AC. This helps dry out moisture inside the unit, preventing mold and bad odors. Press and hold the Temperature Down arrow button and the Mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your GREE AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.